Is there going to be room for both of us on this couch bed?
Yes, there's room on the couch.
All right. I'm going to get the blanket and put it up over my legs. Oh, that's your end of the blanket. Here's my end of the blanket. Now we'll read The Absent-Minded Mr. Rabbit s'more. Blake, please don't touch the lamp. That's right, that's how you turn it on and off, but I don't want you to turn it off right now. Would you like to hear The Absent-Minded Mr. Rabbit? Why not? Why can't we turn that one on?
It's spooned out.
No.
We had to go to the hardware store.
You and Daddy went to the hardware store to get a new light bulb for the ceiling light.
When Daddy fixed that, Daddy just makes it by me. Daddy was just
Are you going to bed?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about your little bed that you have here. What's in your bed? Do you like your bed?
Yes.
What do you have?
Pillow. Pink pillow.
A pink pillow.
I'm gonna get white pink. Why?
Tell me about your bed.
This is Joe's bed.
Blake, do you love your bed?
Yes.
Good. Oh, look at Julia. She's crawling. Oh, she's down on the ground.
She's down the ground.
Good crawling, Julia. We saw you do that. You're getting very strong. It's hard to contain you on your Gemini now. You like to scoot around all over the place.